Mind your step. Mind your step.
Please download or update the United app on your device before boarding the aircraft. Unfortunately, you cannot download the app during the flight.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
48A cross and right.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when
so, and 40 minutes or so. We're going to begin our descent, maybe in about 5-7 minutes. And that means the seatbelt sign will be going on shortly thereafter. If anybody has any reason to leave their seat to take care of any personal business, or maybe take one last lap around the airplane to stretch your legs before that seatbelt sign does go on, now would be the time to do it. Latest weather in San Francisco, looks like they got late winds, maybe about 5 miles an hour out of the west. Cloud visibility, temperatures 14 degrees Celsius. That's 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Once again, we're going to be on the ground in about 40 minutes or so. We're going to begin our descent in 5 to 7 minutes, and the seatbelt sign will be going on shortly thereafter. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank you all very much for flying with us here in the friendly skies of United, and I hope to see you all here again soon.
AM. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we've arrived at the gate and the captain turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please take care of dumping overhead bins as cops are restricted during flight. United and Star Alliance partner flights depart from various terminals. Please check airport monitors or the United mobile app for the most accurate gate information. As this is our first port of entry into the United States, all passengers will be required to go through immigration. Following the immigration lines, if you've checked a bag, there are baggage carousels. Regardless of your final destination, you will need to retrieve your bag from these baggage carousels. If you're connecting to another flight, you can walk out with your bag through customs to the left and connect directly to your flight. If you have any questions, uniformed representatives will be on the ground to meet us. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance Network, and your entire flight crew, we thank you for flying with us this afternoon, and we look forward to seeing you again here in the friendly skies.